Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to make Oscar in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take earth and put in the field, and then put fire in earth. When you do that, you will get lava. Then, take water and put in the lava. When you do that, you will get stone, and then put lava in the stone. When you do that, you will get obsidian. After that, put earth in obsidian. When you do that, voila! You will get diamond. Now, it's time to put obsidian in the diamond. When you do that, you will get onyx. Next step is to again put obsidian in the onyx. And this time you will get black. Now, we will go to the other side. For this, we will take earth and put in the field. Then, take water and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get plant. Now, take wind and put in this plant, and you will get dandelion. Then, take the water and put in the dandelion. When you do that, you will get wine. After that, again take water and put in the wine. When you go that, you will get holy water. Then, put fire in the holy water. Voila! You have just crafted vampire. Then, combine these elements. Take vampire and put in the black. When you do that, you will get bat. Then take bat and put in the bat. When you do that, you will get Batman. You must know Batman, our hero. Then, go to other step. Take water and put in the field. Then put water in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. Then, again, go to other side. Take fire and put in the field. Then put fire in the fire. When you do that, you will get volcano. When you get volcano, put volcano in the lake. When you do this, you will get island. Then, it's time to put island in the island. When you do this thing, you will get continent. Now, take lake and put in the continent. When you do that, you will get America. When you get America, take earth and put in the America. When you do that, you will get USA. Don't stop here. Our destination is near. Now, go to the other side. Take earth and put in the field. And then take wind and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get dust. Now, take earth and put in the dust. When you do that, you will get planet. Then, take planet and put in the planet. When you do that, voila! You have just created star. Now take star and put in the USA. When you do this, you will get Hollywood, a movie industry. Now, again go to other side. Take fire and put in the field. And then take wind and put in the fire. When you do that, you will get smoke. Then, put water in the smoke. When you do that, you will get fog. Then take planet and put in the fog. When you do that, you see that you have successfully made Venus planet. Now, it's time to go to the other side. Take dust and put in the field. Then take water and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get mud. Now, combine these elements. Take mud and put in the Venus. When you do that, you will get Adam. Now, take earth and put in the Adam. When you do that, you will get man. In this vein, if you are man, then subscribe. Now, we go to the other step. Take Adam and put Adam in the man. When you do that, you will get woman. Now, it's time to combine elements. Take woman and put in the Hollywood. When you do that, you will get actress. Then, take actress and put in your Batman. When you do that, you will get Catwoman. Don't stop here. Take actress and put in the Catwoman. When you do that, you will get Halle Berry. Now, the last step. Take Hollywood and put in the Halle Berry. When you do that, voila! You have crafted Oscar. Congratulations! You have successfully made Oscar in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.